on Crazy Mouse, the Rivershawn Traveling Wild Mouse here at the Ohio State Fair. First ride of the day. Going up the lift hill. I can see the people on the track, they are spinning like crazy. Uh-oh. Beautiful day out here in Columbus, Ohio. Only like 80 degrees today, which is a lot better than last week. There we go. Hands up. Oh, I don't want to hit the sign. Oh my goodness. That's a near miss if I've seen one. Here we go. Whee! Here comes the spinning, I think. Oh no, not yet. We got 2 more turns, I think. Whee! Here comes the drop. Whoa! And second drop. Here we go. Whoa! Whoa! Here comes the spinning, perhaps. Oh yeah, we're spinning. Whoa! 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 Oh, that's good. Whoa! That's some good spinning. Whoa! Oh, we're spinning. Uh-oh, I'm going backwards. Whoa! Sideways over the air time. Whoa, backwards air time. Oh, that was good. Fun ride. First ride of the day complete.